There's not a whole lot of information on this woman, but that doesn't mean that her story shouldn't be told. So this is a story of Kayo Inaba, a Japanese woman in STEM. Hello there, parents and educators. My name is Danielle. I am the founder and CEO of Make Them Mainstream. I help people just like you teach young females about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The main goal is to make STEM as accessible as possible to young females. So on every Wednesday, I talk about an influential female in STEM so they know about the women whose shoulders that they're standing on. Every Thursday, I post a video about female STEM education so you know exactly how to get through to your daughters and your female students. Today's story is about Kayo Inaba, and there wasn't a lot of information on her childhood or her academic life, but that doesn't mean that her story shouldn't be told. I won't cover everything about her life in this video today, but if you want to learn more about Kayo Inaba, check out the article on makethemmainstream.com. For her childhood, as much as I can gather, she grew up in Japan, and other than that, her story hasn't been told just yet. So let's jump right into her academic life. In 1971, Kayo attended the Nara Women's University in Japan. Here she earned her Bachelor's of Science in some kind of bio studies. After earning her bachelor's, she ventured on to Kyoto University to get her master's and her PhD. After university, Dr. Kayo Inaba immediately started working in the Graduate School of Science at Kyoto University. She would then move to New York to become a visiting professor at the Rockefeller University for 13 years. When she returned to her home university, she took the position as associate professor. This made Dr. Kayo Inaba the first female associate professor in the science department at Kyoto University. Most of her work was dealing with the study of immunology. If you want to learn a little bit more about immunology, check out the full article in the description below. As an immunologist, she took a particular interest in a specific type of cell called dendritic cells. Dr. Kayo Inaba is one of the world's leading scientists of dendritic cells research, and her work has been published and cited in many international journals. She is still the leading scientist in dendritic cell research because most, if not all, of her work has been on this topic. Dr. Kayo Inaba provided the first evidence that dendritic cells could be used for cellular therapies by showing that antigen-loaded dendritic cells induce effective anti-cancer immune responses. Throughout her career, Kayo has had many positions, and she has now been with Kyoto University for over 26 years. Throughout her career, she would often hold multiple positions at the same exact time. Currently, she is a guest investigator at Rockefeller University, the executive vice president for gender equality, international affairs, and public relations at Kyoto University, and the director of Kayo University Gender Equality Promotion Center. Luckily, the work that Dr. Kayo Inaba has done has not gone unnoticed. Like the other women that we talk about here on the Make Them Mainstream Women in STEM blog, her life has been filled and continues to be filled with accomplishments. Check out the long list of awards and memberships that she belongs to by clicking on the link in the description below that takes you to the full article that goes along with this video. She is still out there doing amazing work for the women's and the scientific communities, which means that pieces of Dr. Kayo Inaba's story has yet to be told. If you want to hear about a specific female or a specific type of female in STEM, let me know in the comments below, and I will make sure to make a video about that woman. On Make Them Mainstream, we want to share the stories of as many women as we possibly can, and hopefully one day we will be sharing the story of your daughters and your female students. So keep discovering, keep being curious, and happy learning.